Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a solution to the problem battery temperature too low, don't charge, or battery temperature too low, your phone will soon power off. So this is a problem that we encounter in most itel techno phones, especially itel 2163, itel 2160 and the rest of them. So I'm going to give you the solutions to the problem today. So to start with, I will like to introduce by saying that there are two solutions to the battery temperature too low, do not charge. These two solutions, I'm going to show you all of them in this article so that you try all of them, and by the time you try this one and it did not work, you try the other one, it should surely work. So let's get started. How can we solve the problem battery temperature too low, don't charge, or battery temperature too low, your phone will soon power off? How do we solve it? So let's get started with the first method. The first method is to use jumper connection. The jumper connection method. How do you do this? As you can see, I've just connected a jumper wire from the negative terminal of the battery to the neutral terminal. So just connect a jumper wire to the negative terminal of the battery, and from the negative terminal to the neutral terminal, as you can see here. So after doing it, you put back your battery and on your phone, then plug it to see whether the phone is still doing the same thing. This method have worked for very many people. It has worked for very many people. In fact, I've also used it and it has worked. Many people also use it and it's still working for them, and that is why I decided to share it to you. Now we have seen the first method. Let us now move over to the second method. What is the second method of the solution to battery temperature too low, don't charge, or battery temperature too low, your phone will soon power off? What is the second method? The second method is the battery replacement method. From many research, I have found out that what causes this problem is mainly battery. When the battery is weak or something of that nature, the phone starts doing like that. In fact, I have one experience that I have a phone that is itel 2163. I did almost everything for it to stop writing that message, for it to charge normally. I did almost everything. I even went to the point of applying the method 1, that is the jumper method, yet it didn't work. But surprisingly, what worked? This second method worked. And what is it about? Change the battery. Change the battery. And now, when you're changing the battery, you don't just put anyhow battery there. As you can see, the battery I changed is the exact one you can see here. That is BL5C. If not BL5C, don't go for another one. Just this battery did the magic. And it will interest you to know that till today, that phone is still working perfectly. It never have disappointed after I changed the battery. Everything started working normally. No message of battery temperature too low or battery temperature too high. It started working perfectly well. So that is it. Remember the first method, that is the method of jumper solution from the negative terminal of the battery to the neutral terminal. And then the second method, that is battery replacement method. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section. And if you also applied these methods and it worked for you, don't also forget to share the video to other friends so that they can also learn from it. Then any method that worked for you, also tell us in the comment section for us to benefit more. Thank you.